Today, we will talk about how to make concrete flower pots. Let's have a look at the details. If you're tired of expensive, flimsy pots that tip over in a windstorm and freeze in the winter, consider making your own homemade concrete pots. Once you devise a mold, you can make as many pots as you like. The sturdy flower pots are inexpensive and will last for many years. Create a mold for your concrete flower pot. Use 2 identical containers, with one container slightly larger than the other. For example, use 2 bowls or 2 buckets, as long as the smaller container is at least an inch smaller than the larger container. You can also build square or rectangular containers from plywood. Coat the inside of the outer container and the outside of the inner container with cooking oil or non-stick cooking spray. For wooden containers, use a paste wax. Cut at least 2 or 3 pieces of 1-inch PVC pipe. The pieces of pipe, which will be used to create drainage holes in the concrete pots, should be 2 inches long. Put on a pair of gloves to protect your hands from the concrete mixture. Mix a batch of quick-setting concrete, according to the directions on the package. Add concrete color at this point, if desired. Pour 2 inches of the concrete mixture into the larger container. Poke the pieces of pipe into the concrete, with 3 to 4 inches between each pipe. Smooth the concrete around the pieces of pipe, but be sure not to cover the pipe, as the pipes must be left open to create the drainage holes. Place the smaller container carefully on top of the concrete in the center of the larger container. Press the smaller container into the concrete until the bottom of the smaller container rests on top of the pipes. Finish adding the concrete mixture to the space between the larger and smaller container. Bounce the container lightly on a hard surface to settle the concrete, then add more to bring the concrete to the top of the container. Smooth the concrete with a putty knife. Allow the concrete to set for at least 24 hours, then remove the smaller container to reveal your concrete pot. Mist the concrete pot lightly with a spray bottle filled with cool water. Don't remove the larger container. Be careful, as the chemical reaction can make quick-setting concrete really hot. Cover the concrete pot with a large piece of plastic and allow the concrete to set up for 1 week. Mist the concrete pot as often as needed to keep the concrete damp. Thump the bottom of your concrete pot lightly but firmly with the heel of your hand to dislodge the pot from the container, then slide the container from your concrete pot. Clean the concrete mixture from the small and large container. The containers can be used to make more concrete pots. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.